Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? First, confirm you're signed into iCloud and remember your Apple ID and password because you'll need them to remove activation lock. Next, make a complete backup to iCloud or to a computer. Do not skip this step if you want any data preserved. Verify the backup finished. Once backed up, go to Settings, tap your name, then Find My and turn off Find My iPhone. Enter the Apple ID password. This unlocks the device for a full erase. Now perform the erase. Open Settings, tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and choose Erase all content and settings. Read the summary prompts. They explain that all photos, apps, and settings will be removed. This is irreversible without a backup. When prompted, enter your device passcode, then your Apple ID password to disable activation lock and confirm. The iPhone will restart and display a progress bar as it erases and reinstalls iOS. Don't interrupt the power or network during this process. Once the erase completes, the iPhone reboots to the setup assistant asking for region and language. This confirms a successful factory reset. If you want your data back, choose Restore from iCloud or Restore from your computer backup during setup. If the process stalls, make sure the phone is connected to power and a stable Wi-Fi, then retry the erase flow or use Finder/iTunes. If activation lock blocks you, use Apple ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.